Good morning, friends. So, today it is more about saluting a particular class of society beyond the classic ones which are active in these present difficult times. Yes, I'm talking about the media. The robust media we have in India is often called the fourth pillar of democracy, and that has been well proved during the pandemic which is going on currently. We understand that doctors, government officials, many consulting agents, and all of them are, among others, are providing critical services at this moment, and at the same time, they are being highly appreciated and valued for the kind of support and the manner in which they are at the front line to fight the COVID 19. But we never pay much heed on the kind of inputs paid by our media personnels. They are the ones who are always active, be it this virus warfront or a border warfront when the army is taking the lead. So, in all of these, media is always aligned with the personnel in the warfront. And today, I feel great respect for our robust media in India, which which is covering each and every activities happening, all the positive activities of donation happening, all the lockdown breakups which are being breakdowns which are being exposed by the media, and the reporting which is reaching to millions of households in India. That is all being possible because of the robust media we have. Even though the personnel in the media is at high threat when it comes to going on the field and reporting, but we see that there is no dearth of material what we see on our televisions being broadcasted by these media houses. We have all the news in place, and we cannot imagine an India without with great opacity and not much information of what is happening at the ground level, and only be limited to the press information released by the government. So that has been well complemented by our media house in India. And that is something which should be more respected. People often don't respect the fourth pillar, but reality is that it is always there at the war front with whenever the country faces a crisis, be it a border crisis or a virus crisis as we are seeing now, or any other. So thanks media. Thank you.